When you've been seriously injured because of an accident or medical malpractice, your life can be turned completely upside down. This is true whether your injury is a physical injury or the lasting consequences of sexual abuse or rape.
Or if you were physically injured and now you can't go to work and your bills are piling up and you can't provide for your family. Or if you were wronged in a place that you should have been protected and safe, like a church or a school or even a hospital. Being injured unexpectedly can change your life. My name is Andrea Bonina, and this is my brother and partner, John Bonina. We represent individuals who have been injured or wronged through no fault of their own.
When people are injured, they have something taken away from them, whether it's their health, their peace of mind, their strength, or their emotional or financial security. You have rights, and when you're faced with an injury situation, you have the right to pursue compensation and get justice for your injuries. But it's not as simple as it sounds.
My brother and partner, John, and I have spent our entire careers fighting for people who have been wronged due to the negligence or wrongdoing of other people. And we know that when they've been injured, that it takes a toll on them. It's going to cost time and money, and you're going to be put in uncomfortable situations through no fault of your own because someone did something wrong. But what's even worse is that you have to deal with an emotionless insurance company, and they have one job, and that's to make sure that you receive as little compensation as possible. And that's where our firm comes in. When you've been wronged, you have legal rights and you can seek justice in a court of law, but you're going to need to prove and demonstrate through evidence that the party who injured you is responsible for your damages.
Now the other side, whether it's the defendant, their insurer, or their attorneys, they're going to do everything in their power to limit your claim. The defendants and their representatives are going to search your social media accounts. They're going to look for video footage of the injury. They're going to do everything they can to limit your claim and limit what they have to pay you. And this is when you need representation from lawyers who are used to fighting these battles day in, day out to help you achieve the maximum compensation that you're entitled to. Look, nothing makes us more angry than we see someone who's injured or wronged through no fault of their own. You have rights, you're entitled to representation, and these are the battles that we've been fighting for over 3 decades.
Plus, when you work with our firm, there are no out-of-pocket expenses to you. We work on a contingency fee basis on all of our cases because we only represent people who have been injured. That means that if we don't win your case, we don't get a legal fee. Don't try to fight your case on your own. Schedule a time to meet with our firm today.